So sorry for interruption, my dear students. Let's resume. Now, it's a really very confusing one, and most of the students generally get confused. I go to school, I go to church, I go to temple, I go to hospital, I go to mosque, I go to temple, I go to market. So whether it should be I go to school or I go to the school, I go to the church or I go to church, what should be the correct one? For your convenience, I have a few expressions on the board. In fact, I want to make it clear that if the expressions are like that, go to school, go to college, go to university, go to church, temple, go to mosque, go to hospital, go to market, go to bed, go to court, go to prison. If the main purpose is served, if the fundamental purpose, if the primary purpose is served, so in the sense of primary purpose, main purpose, fundamental purpose, we should not use articles before them. If secondary purpose, some other purpose is served, then we can use the article before the school, hospital, mosque, temple, for secondary purpose, not for the main purpose. Try to understand. We go to school, college, university to study. Why do we go to school? What is the main purpose of going to school? What is the main purpose of going to college? What is the main purpose of going to university? What is the main purpose? Either study is the main purpose or teaching is the main purpose. So if we go to school to study, or if we go to school for teaching, if we go to school, college for study, or if we go to college or university for study or for teaching, so teaching and study, teaching or study is the main purpose of going to college, of going to school, of going to university. So if a main purpose is served, no article should be placed. Suppose we go to school, college, university to study. We cannot say we go to the school, we go to the college, we go to the university, we go to the university. We cannot say. We cannot say. Because here is our main purpose. So if we go to school, college, university to study, study is the main purpose when we go to school or when we go to college or when we go to university. Teaching is the main purpose for the teachers when they go to school, when they go to college, when they go to university. So in the sense of the fulfillment of main purpose, main duty, main activity, primary purpose, no article should be used there. We should not say, because we are going for study. Second, we go to temple, we go to church, we go to mosque for prayer. Why do we go to temple? Why do we go to mosque? Why do we go to church? We go to temple because a temple, the temple is a place of worship. Mosque is also a place of worship. Church is also a place of worship. So we go to these places like church, like temple, like mosque for prayer, for saying prayer, for reciting prayer, for meditation, for the act of worship. So worship or prayer is the main activity, is the main purpose for going to the church, for going to the temple, for going to the mosque. So when main purpose is served, we should not use any article before them. So I haven't used any article before we go to temple, church, mosque, no article. See, the injured were sent to hospital. No article. Before hospital. The injured were sent to hospital because those who are injured, the injured are sent to hospital. Why are the injured sent to hospital? What is the main purpose? Treatment is the main purpose. Treatment is the primary purpose to be done in the hospital. That is why we should not use any article before hospital. I am going to the hospital. The word is same, but here is an article. I am going to the hospital to see a patient. I am going to the hospital. Means I am going to the hospital not for the treatment. Treatment is the main purpose of going to the hospital. But I am going to the hospital to see a patient, to meet a patient. Meeting a patient is not the main purpose of going to the hospital. That is why I have used the. Then the robber was sent to prison. No article. Because robbers are put behind the bars, dacoits are put behind the bars, criminals are put behind the bars. They are sent to prison for punishment. No article is used there. But the temple is just behind the prison. Here, there is the before prison because it is used for some other purpose. Like this, when nouns are used in pairs, no article should be used before them. Like father and son. Father and son are sitting there. Brother and sister are playing. We cannot say the brother and the sister. We cannot say the father and the son. We can't say. He went from door to door. He went from door to door. He came from village to village. He visited from village to village. So, from the village to village, we cannot say. From door to door, side by side, from beginning to end, these are the expressions which are used in pairs and we don't use any article before them. Then there is a word turn. Try to understand. Turn means to bend and turn means become. Hona ya banna in Hindi. When the word turn is used in the sense of become, to be something, to become something, then no article is used before it. Have a look. He turned journalist, he turned politician. He turned politician. We cannot write he turned a journalist. We cannot write he turned a politician because turn here means became. Turn here means became. So when turn means became, there should be no article before a noun which comes after turned. He turned journalist, he turned politician, he turned actor, she turned actress. So when turned means to become, we should not use any article before that. Now dear